Hello, I am Chella Palaniappan with Trigen Software. Here are tech trends that will create competitive advantage for companies that plan for it. These aren't mere trends, they're gateways to unparalleled opportunities. Hyperautomation isn't just about innovation. It is elevating your team's potential and performance. Picture this, an astounding 90% of supply chain leaders are gearing up to deploy robots within the next 2 years. But here's the crucial twist. Don't see robots as replacements. Instead, they are dynamic collaborators poised to supplement and enhance human capabilities. They have the potential to address the skills mismatch. Robots will seamlessly work alongside humans, filling the gaps, assisting the aging workforce, augmenting their experience, and boosting productivity. Think about it as a strategic alliance where technology and human expertise converge to keep pace with demand or even exceed. Amid all these trends lies an incredible opportunity for growth, innovation, and leadership. But fellow trailblazers, success demands more than passive observation. Let's organize our teams to master these skills, turning potential into reality. The journey promises not just excitement, but the chance to gain a competitive advantage. Before we conclude, I'd like to introduce an ally to this journey, Trigen's Accelerate Labs. This tech accelerator is designed to fast-track your innovations, propelling you from ideation to release in fast sprint cycles. As we embark on this tech journey, let's not just watch the trends, let's define them. May your sails be filled with the winds of innovation and your journey be extraordinary. Thank you.